What's the difference between a data analyst, data engineer, and data scientist? If you've ever wondered who works with data in organizations and how their roles differ, let's break it down into three key roles: data analysts, data engineers, and data scientists. These roles may sound similar, but they each have unique responsibilities and skill sets. 1. The data analyst. The data analyst is like a detective, focused on making sense of existing data to help answer specific questions and support decision making. Their primary job is to take data that's already been collected, clean it up, and analyze it for patterns, trends, and insights. They use tools like Excel, SQL, and data visualization software, such as Tableau or Power BI, to create reports and dashboards. Their work is often focused on the what and why of a situation. For example, a data analyst might be asked, "Why did sales drop last month?" They would analyze the data, identify potential causes, and present their findings to stakeholders in a clear and visually compelling way. In short, data analysts interpret data and share actionable insights to help teams make informed decisions. The data engineer. Think of the data engineer as the builder or architect. They focus on creating the infrastructure that makes data usable in the first place. Their job is to design, build, and maintain systems that collect, process, and store data efficiently. Data engineers work with tools like SQL, Python, and cloud platforms such as AWS or Google Cloud to build data pipelines and storage systems like data warehouses or data lakes. For example, when a company collects customer feedback from apps, websites, and surveys, the data engineer ensures all this information is funneled into a central database in a clean and structured format. In essence, data engineers create the foundation that data analysts and scientists rely on to do their jobs. Without data engineers, there wouldn't be reliable data to work with. The data scientist. The data scientist is the innovator, focused on using data to solve complex problems and predict future outcomes. They go beyond analyzing what has already happened by using advanced techniques like machine learning and statistical modeling to answer the "what's next" and "how can we improve" questions. They're often skilled in programming languages like Python or R and work with machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow or scikit-learn. For example, a data scientist at a streaming service might build a recommendation system that suggests new shows based on your viewing history. They take vast amounts of data, develop algorithms, and train models to make predictions or automate decisions. In short, data scientists push the boundaries of what data can do, often creating tools and insights that shape future strategies. How do these roles work together? These roles are highly interconnected. A data engineer ensures data is accessible and well organized. A data analyst uses that data to find patterns and provide reports. A data scientist might take those insights and build predictive models or create advanced solutions. Imagine a car as a metaphor. The data engineer builds the engine and ensures it runs smoothly. The data analyst monitors the dashboard and interprets what's happening. And the data scientist designs advanced systems like self-driving features to innovate and enhance the car's performance. Summary. A data analyst focuses on interpreting and presenting data to answer specific business questions. A data engineer builds the systems that allow data to be collected, processed, and stored efficiently. A data scientist uses advanced techniques to predict outcomes and create solutions for complex challenges. Together, these roles ensure that data is not just collected, but also transformed into a powerful resource that drives smarter decisions and innovation.